Hi everyone, welcome back to Weekend Vlogs. Hope everyone is doing good and today's video about no makeup look. I'm going to show you few simple steps how I do a makeup. I do just to look myself a bit more fresh, awakened and pleasant. I don't usually get too much makeup, eyeshadow and things like that. As you all know, everyone is really keen on not looking too much, but then they still want something on their face, so looking good and pretty as well. So I usually love a simple makeup, but something dewy and glowy look. So let's get started. To start with the toner on the clean face. Just put a few drops of toner into the palms of your hands and apply gently on your face, neck and avoiding the lips and delicate eye area. Here I have used the Pixie Beauty Skin Treats Glow Tonic, the exfoliating toner for all skin types. It is best for applying before makeup and it will absorb nicely. Next is a moisturizer. Here I have used Clinique brand Surge Intense Moisturizer, something I never skip. It plumps up the skin with hydration, helping it look better instantly. Very smooth. It will not even dry fast and gives a glowy dewy look. Just take a good amount of it and apply it directly. You can see that shine on my face. Since my skin is very sensitive and acne prone, I always use all skin types products to be on the safer side. Applying the lip balm, the Body Shop Strawberry Bond Lippy, which is my all-time favorite. Next is a primer. Here I have used the MAC Straub Cream, which is my favorite, which boosts the skin and the look of the dull skin, flat or tired looking, which brightens and gives a glossy, glittery effect. I love this product, which is very quick fix for any type of dull skin. You can apply completely on your face and neck, which illuminates your face. Also, you can use this as even highlighter. Next is the concealer. Here I am using the Tarte concealer. Instead of applying foundation, I am directly applying the concealer. I really like this concealer and this is shade 4 to 5 tan sand. It covers my under eyes, pigmentation, blemishes, etc. Only thing is that you should choose the right shade. One shade lighter than our original shade, which is brightening our face immediately. If you like, you can blend with your fingers or brushes or sponges or whatever, but spot cleaning as you can. It will cover the blemishes or any uneven things entirely, and it is very long lasting, hydrating, and yes, you can see in my face. Can you see the difference? Wearing makeup is something which we can do quickly and temporarily change any appearance, thus increasing our confidence. I love to do makeup from my childhood. I would like to keep, but I would like to keep it as minimal as possible. And the most challenging part is to match the makeup to your skin tone. After applying the concealer, next product I'm using is All Nighter Waterproof Pressed Powder by Urban Decay. Simply buff the powder using a brush over your concealer for long lasting locked in coverage. Just few dab, your makeup doesn't move. Moving on to the contour. To contour my nose, here I am using Nude Sticks Nudies Tinted Blur Sticks. This comes in a stick type, so easy to apply. Applying the sides of my nose, on both the sides of the nose, and almost it is done. This gives the most natural contour look. Just blend it very well, and for highlighting in between, applying our MAC Straub cream, which I have already explained. Applying highlighter enhance your complexion and give skin a brighter dewy glow, as well as making cheekbones look more prominent. Apply little on your cheeks and chin. Now applying the kajal. Here I have used the Silky Girl Smudge Proof Kajal. It does not smudge much, so I love this product as well. Next, applying the lipstick. Here I am using Chamber Powder Matte Lipstick Orange Flambe 167. It is my favorite shade and perfect for this glowy dewy look. I have been using this for a very long time, but reapply it as many times you want, because it doesn't stay so long like any other lipstick. And here also I'm not using any lip crayons, but really look at this, because it is neutral and warm and can be used for a regular basis, and I absolutely love it. Applying eyebrow pencil lightly at the end. This is also from Silky Girl. Usually I don't apply anything on my eyebrows. I like the natural look. And that's it, and this is the final look, which is really simple, straightforward, and doesn't take much time. Here I have skipped many products: eyeliner, mascara, even foundation, lip liner, etc. So when you are in a hurry, you can apply this like anything. This is what I do. So hope you enjoyed this video. See you all in another video. Like my no makeup look video. If you're watching my video for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe. More interesting videos coming up. Bye.